Hi, my name is Ben Freer. I'm an immigration lawyer who helps people with the E-2 visa process. And on this video, I'm going to talk to you about one of the E-2 visa requirements. And that requirement is that your business cannot be marginal. So first of all, what does this mean, your business cannot be marginal? That's not a term that we typically hear in everyday life. So what exactly does that mean? Well, the prohibition against marginality means that your business cannot be one that's only going to support yourself and your family. You have to predict that the business is going to support other U.S. workers. So for example, if you decided that you wanted to start a one-person business, which is completely possible in today's world, you wouldn't be able to do well with an E-2 visa application. It would probably be denied. And it would be denied because your business is marginal. This is oftentimes a problem with a smaller investment. If there's a larger investment, say someone is investing in a restaurant, a manufacturing plant, some big operation, those types of businesses are obviously going to require employees. But what if you have a small agency? What if you have a photography business? These sorts of businesses can be started with a relatively modest investment. And that's fine because there's no minimum investment requirement. But what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to say, even though the investment is small, even though we've only invested $25,000, $35,000, this business will grow to the point where it's going to need employees. And the need for employees is oftentimes proven through a business plan. A good business plan writer will look at the industry and they'll show what typical businesses of that type need to operate. And if the business plan shows that by year one, you're projected to have 2 employees, by year 2, you're projected to have 3 employees, et cetera, then that can go a long way in showing the adjudicator that this business is actually going to need personnel to help it run. So it's great that you can actually use these predictions for the purposes of establishing that your business is not going to be marginal. But here's one thing that you need to look out for. You need to make sure that you don't go overboard. So if you come into the country and you say this business is going to employ 10 people by year 5, and once year 5 arrives, you have 0 employees, that can be a real problem. That can keep you from getting a renewal, that'll keep you from being able to stay in the country and run your business. So if you're thinking about the E-2 visa, keep this requirement in mind. Your business cannot be marginal, and marginal means it's only going to support yourself and your family. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly.